Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I challenged myself to turn one textured stitch into this beautiful zip pouch. Would you make one? This is now my new favorite crochet texture. What would you use this pouch for? Let me show you what can go in there. So one, if you decide to use it as a sanitary pouch, so wet wipes, tampons, sanitary disposable bag, another sanitary disposable bag, this Vaseline, hand sanitizer, sanitary disposal bag, okay, and a few more tampons. You can even put a whole packet in there, then you zip it there, and it still has space, so that's your go bag. Alternatively, put in your wet wipes. I like wet wipes. I never go anywhere without a pack of wet wipes, hand sanitizer, the Vaseline. See, I bought the smallest so it can fit in there. I have this roll-on, it will fit in there. And then I have this glow getter. It's a lip oil. And I have my Bath and Body Works coconut lip balm. And my NK lipstick. They all fit in there perfectly. Then I zip it up. See? Everything in there. The other alternative, let's leave in the wet wipes in there. Take out the lip gloss, lip balm. We take all that out. So we have these two, then we have pads. Those are 2, those are 4, those are 5 pads, and then my Vaseline goes in there. See? Still fitting perfectly. So, tell me, what would you use this bag for? Alright? I look forward to your comments. Asante, bye.